Excuse me po, ako nga po pala si 30. Di ko tunay na pangalan. Joke lang. Gusto ko lang pong batiin ang Mama Joby ko ng happy birthday at may gift ako sa kanya. Sana magustuhan niya itong gagawin ko. Enjoy!
Last fast, bring it right back, wear it like that, move it like that, like it like, do it like that, kiss it like that, making it last fast, bring it right back, wear it like that, move it like that, like it like, do it like that, kiss it like that, making it.
Uy! Joby! Ala! Happy birthday! Birthday mo daw! Just lang. Happy birthday in advance dito sa Pilipinas. Nawa palagi kang maging masaya. Always enjoy your day. Nawa nagiging masaya ka dyan. Kahit hindi ko alam kung talaga nagiging masaya ka dyan. Pero always remember na nasan man tayo, hindi man tayo magkakasama. Always here for you. And always praying na maging successful. Basta yung goal natin maging successful. Hindi man tayo sabay-sabay magsasuccess, pero mahalaga maging successful tayo. Okay, tapos, yun lang. Hope to see you soon, baby girl. And always remember, kahit kulot ka, mahal na mahal kita. I love you. Mwah.
Hi girl! Happy birthday! I miss you so much.
Hey Jovi, happy birthday. So I know you're far away from us, but I hope you enjoy your day. And kung ano man yung gusto mo pang marating sa buhay mo, when it comes to your career, especially now that you're settled with your love life naman, I know, always remember lang na nandito kami, kahit nasa Philippines lang kami. We are one call away, kami nila Lian and Kyla. So, if you have something to talk about too, or something to deal about too, we have your back. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Hi Lola! Happy birthday! Sana safe ka dyan palagi at palagi kang masaya. Namimiss na kita. Pag uwi mo, sana magkita tayo. Alam mo, kahit hindi tayo nagkikita, ikaw pa rin yung the best sa akin at mahal kita. Makita ka ha pag umuwi ka. Mag-iingat ka dyan palagi. I love you, Lola. You're the best.
Tapos yung sa mga kaso, hi Kulot, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ang wish ko sa iyo is good health and more opportunities to come. Then, lagi kayong mag-iingat dyan sa UAE at huwag kayong mag-aalala ka ng fever. Lagi namin silang inaasikaso. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Yo! What up to you, sister? Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa iyo ay mag-ingat na vlog. Kayo pala at kita-kits next year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mana. Stay pretty. Wishing you good health, more blessings, and endless happiness. At naway gabayan ka pa ni Lord sa mga plano mo sa buhay. Ingat kayo, ingat ka palagi, at huwag kalimutang magpahinga. Okay? Yun lang. See you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jovelyn. Ang masasabi ko lang, ingat kayo dyan pala. Sana makamit niyo lahat ng pangarap niyo sa buhay. Huwag kayo magkakasakit. Ingat kayo pala. And I love you all. Bye-bye.
Hi! Magandang buhay, Kulot! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kulot! Wish ko na sana, magpakabait ka. Ay, wow! Joke lang. more blessings, kayanin mo lahat ng laban.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. See you soonest. I don't know when.
Sa'yo ang inuman. Kain naman.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lot. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless.
Natuwa ka ba, Mama? Sana nagustuhan mo ang surprise ko sa'yo. For sure na miss mo sila lahat. And looking forward na makita mo sila soon. Siyempre, di pa tapos yan. Meron pang gustong bumati sa'yo. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Bebu! Miss you! Hi, Jubebe! Happy birthday! Always pray to God na lagi kang i-guide sa iyong new journey. And hindi ka namin mamimiss kasi every Friday naman or every time naman na magkikita tayo di ba, lagi naman. So, hindi ka namin mamimiss. Basta happy birthday! I love you! Mwah! Happy birthday! Stay happy, healthy, and God bless you and with your family. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Joby! Enjoy sa new world. Happy birthday! Jubebe! Happy birthday! Nawa, sana'y maging masaya ka araw-araw kasama ni Birdie at Titardi! Happy birthday, Joby!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy mo lang ang araw na to. And always be happy kahit na nakakapagod araw-araw. God bless, Mommy. I love you.
Happy birthday, classmate! May you have many more happy birthdays to you!
Happy birthday, classmate! Minecraft na!
Hello, Jobs! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and God bless more birthday to come and hopefully all your wishes will come true.
Hi, Joby! Tulog si Tajiro pero advance happy birthday! Sumingit lang ng mabilis na bate. So, enjoy your day and many more birthdays to come, okay? Wish you happiness and good health.
Hello, Juby! Happy birthday! Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. And I wish you more blessings, success, good health. And God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Joby. I pray for good health and more blessings to you and your family. Have a great day ahead.
Uy, Joby, andyan pala ka. Happy birthday, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Best wishes. Masalamat!
It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy. Happy. It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, happy, happy.